Hello fellow trading and investing fanatics. Today we're going to talk about UWMC. So finally today we gapped up and we are finally back at $10 and we are likely going to close at 10 today. So there's roughly 15 minutes until the market close. So give or take we'll be there around 10. So this is very bullish. This is the first time we've closed above the previous swing. So the previous swing close was around $9, right? So here's 9, 9. So now we close at 10. And we haven't closed at 10 since, let's see here, the previous swing on February 3rd, which was the downfall of the SPACs. So around 1137. So this is very bullish. I think we are probably going to see a swing higher and try to take out the 1250 area. Now, how long that will take, I have no idea. But I have traded the covered calls and also bought some puts. So one of my shares got called away on dividend day. So I rebuy at 1042. And so now my cost average is, I think it's 890 or something like that. But I'm not counting the, where's my average? 894, right? But because my shares got called away earlier last time, when it was around $6 or $7, it got called away. So the actual price that I bought it at was around 1149 with 200 shares. So now I'm just buying and rebuying, but generally learning how to sell covered calls on dividend stocks. So this is kind of like my training wheel. And today in the open, around the 15 to 30 minute after the open, I sold two covered calls of 12 and 13 respectively. I don't think they're going to hit it within 2 weeks. So about 8 days, yeah? 8 to 10 days. So, but if it does hit, then I'm also okay. I'm thinking about selling one of them, $12 call. If it does get there, I will probably sell it, 100 shares of it, and then I will wheel it. But the other share, I will probably roll it if it ever goes closes above 13, which I find that to be highly unlikely. I think the most likely scenario is we stay in this range, anywhere from 9 to 12. Given the volatility, but you know, anything can happen, and I believe Wall Street Bets kind of is going after this stock as well. So I'm prepared for that. So that's the update on UWMC. I'm actually bullish in the long term, so I will always buy it back if my shares do get called away, and I really like it because of the dividend. So this is just a quick update, and if you look at the SPAC index, it's actually doing really well right now. We broke the previous swing and now we're coming back, right? So I think we pull back and then we chop around. We test the previous support. The resistance that turned into support. Then I think we have a good chance that it can make another leg, right? But it's also kind of extended and it's a little bit away from the 20-day moving average. So we'll see. But this is a very good sign. We broke the previous swing, and then now we just need to make a new swing low, right? And then we make a new swing high, then we have a confirmed new trend. And I think the SPACs will be back, so the growth stocks will be back. I see a lot of strength in the other stocks as well. OEG is doing well. All my growth stocks are starting to come back a little bit. So I can totally see that they could make a move. So nothing is guaranteed, but it's looking good right now. So I'll end the video here and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.